to another episode of the Drawing Science Club. Today we'll be learning about slow changes that can shape the Earth and fast changes that can shape the Earth. Here's what you need for this project. All right, let's get started. First, take your sand and make a structure on your tray. The first thing we're going to test is weathering, and for this you're going to need a straw, and you're just going to blow very gently on your structure to represent the wind. You can see that if you blow very gently, it can represent slow erosion and weathering. But if you blow very quickly, like might be the case in a windstorm or some other sort of natural disaster situation, the ground moves a lot faster. Next, we're going to test erosion, and for that you will need some water. Now we're going to use water to show an example of slow erosion in action. Very carefully and very gently pour a little bit of water on top of your sand structure. You can see that as the water went down the mountain, it took some of the top soil with it. Typically in like a rain situation, it wouldn't happen as quickly as this. Now we're going to show an example of a landslide to show how quickly erosion can happen under certain conditions when gravity is involved. This is going to be used to represent a tall mountain. Now here's an example of how quickly erosion can occur when gravity is involved. So take your water and pour it over your mountain. Do you see how quickly that moved the sediment from the top of the mountain all the way down here in a huge burst, causing a lot of flooding and damage? If there had been a village or something living down here, that would have absolutely devastated that area and been very dangerous very quickly. That's why it's important to try to prevent landslides and mudslides and things like that, because they can be very dangerous to animals, humans, and even plant life. That's it for today. See you next time.